Welcome. In this video I will show you how to boot your LG Gram from USB. First of all, you have to insert the USB flash drive into your computer and make sure that your device is powered off completely. After that, just press the power button once and start repeatedly pressing F10 button before your laptop is even starts launching. Then you're gonna see this boot menu on the screen. Use up and down arrow keys to navigate here. This way, navigate to your USB and press enter to boot from it. And in a couple of seconds or a minute, you're gonna see the screen that you were trying to see by booting your device from USB. In my case, it's the Windows 11 installation screen. So that's it. But I'm gonna leave it since I don't currently need it, and you can proceed with whatever you wanted to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.